Haprengki khubor antar babaro kamlong kababiang hapo ke National People's Party lani NPP kaseng san hima kabalam khmat yala ka sorkar MDA2 ha Meghalaya u menteri rangba u Conrad ke sangma ulaong ba kiteki khubor kim dan nongrim bat ong ba ompat yasngo bandon kinu ki MLA ki baknyum. Da ka bakubur balik si don ki ba omhon ya ka jingelam jong u Conrad ulaong ba ki jinge khmi lenti hapo ka party ki don bet bat ha ka ju kapor ka long ka ba e than ban pin biang lot bat benrab bakom unong yalam u shimkhia ya ki jing ai jing tip bat but din yaki u Conrad ulaya tho badang shen kala don ka jingja ba ki nong kit kam ka party ha ka wai ka district kilapan pau ya ka jingbam snguhun da ka bakado ba ki kam kintiu ya ka roi ka par ki sakut bat marya yo jing tip ula shimkhia bat yakren bat ki ulong ba ki jingbam snu ya hap ki jing snu dom bat ki jing yakin at ki ja hakikin hon trekam kham tam ha ka sorkar bat ong ba ka kam unong ya lampat ka long ban pin bet yaki ha ka jaka ban chu e kumto ne le klen halor ki MLA ulaong babaro ki MLA kim dan kam banda shim appointment ban kendo yu bat kila ban wan yakren ha kanu kapor ulaong ba ya ki ba ai jing tip shaphang ki MLA ki bamhon on jin dalas ngongo palat namar ba unyo ban yapen bet bat ki bat ya ki ba ai jing tip on nom artaten banda ai Khublei Paidbah.
I'm not sure. I've not heard that from anybody. But as I said again, it's a natural process for individuals to have a lot of expectations. And therefore, whenever I get in information, I'm the first one to call anybody. I won't take names, but just recently I had sent different groups of my leaders to certain district. And when they had the meeting in the district, the party leaders shouted at those senior leaders, saying that nothing is happening, we are not getting this, nothing is going on, blah 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 blah. And immediately those people, because those people didn't even know that those people I have sent them, and they would report back to me. They reported back to me, and in 1 week's time, from that meeting, that complaint till yesterday, I personally called those people up and I told them, I want to see you. Please come and meet me. I spent 1 hour with them yesterday, and I heard that problem out in detail and tried to resolve. They were upset a week back. Today, I hope they're not as upset that they were. So, again, repeating myself, having problems is natural in life, is natural in an organization, and even more natural in government. It's difficult to satisfy at all levels. But if you don't engage, if you don't hear them out, if you don't try, then I think you're failing in your duty and responsibility as a leader to be able to resolve those problems. And I think that is what is key. Regarding MLAs, I am very open. I think you must have seen my office. The only people who can walk into my office at any time are our MLAs. Our MLAs tell me that there was a time when they couldn't meet Chief Minister, before, for days and hours and months. Today, even if I'm having a very important review meeting, MLAs are the only people who don't have to knock also. They just open the door and they come into my room. That's the kind of accessibility I have, and you can ask any of the MLAs who are there. So I'll be happy if you can message me who are those MLAs who are having concerns. I will definitely call them myself and I will resolve their problems, and I will publicly thank you for being the bridge between them and me for resolving the problem. So in politics, in general, when people merge and people come into a party, so you'll have an old TMC and a new TMC if somebody joins. This is natural. It comes up in any party. You ask Dr. Mukul, you can message him now also. He will tell you that there is an old NPP and there's an old TMC and new TMC. And he'll also tell you that this happens in his party also. You ask Congress also, they'll tell you there's always a new Congress and an old Congress. It's a natural process of politics. It's not that NPP is, seeing this. And I, being a person who has seen this for some years, say about 20, 22 years, 23 years, I've been seeing politics on a grassroots level and monitoring things and studying things. I know the kind of mindset that comes in. And therefore, I said it that day to let people know that I know that this is the mindset, but can we overcome this? Can we not use these words? Because I realize that just by not using this word of, these are the old guys here. Oh, these are the new guys. The environment can be much better. So I'm giving a suggestion to our members to avoid using these words, because just by avoiding these words, we can actually create a far better environment. So therefore, it's natural for this to happen in any organization. Forget political parties. In your media, if a new employee comes in, you will use, we are the old guys, we are the senior guys, we were the ones who did everything, and now these new guys are coming in, they think they know everything. It's the same thing. I'm sure your organization goes through it. Every organization goes through it. Every organization. And so I have only said it that day to send the message that let's not use those words. Let us look at all of us as one family and as members of NPP. And that would be a great way to start them.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha kajing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi, the office, Johor Commissionariat of Food Safety, Shillong, Meghalaya.